Yo, what up guys, Froggy here, and Osheaga is happening this week. If you haven't seen my video from last year, go check it out right there, or like link below, I don't know, whatever. Just type in Osheaga 2018. Today, I wanna give you guys 3 tips for surviving Osheaga this year. Hopefully these will be life-saving tips, and actually I have my ticket right here, so why don't we unbox this on camera right now. Boom. What does it say there? Wait! Don't put your bracelet on just yet! Attendez, n'attachez pas votre bracelet tout de suite! 9 years of taking French in school. Here we go, what does this look like? Oh, very, very nice. Very nice. Oh, and it opens like that. Wow, look at all the writing. Oh, I love this graphic design. Oh, and wow, that's literally all it is. This whole package just for this. So this is the bracelet right here. It's actually got kind of a cool design. So you basically gotta put the bracelet on and then tighten it, but I'm not gonna do that right now because Osheaga is still a couple days away. This year though, I'm gonna be smart. My friend last year, he kind of tightened it just to the point where he could take it off at the end of the day. I tightened mine too hard, so I had to wear it for 3 days. I'm gonna be smart this year though. I'm gonna tighten it just enough where I could kind of slip it off, you know, at the end of the night, just cause, you know, this shit gets kind of gross by the 3rd day. All right, but what does the packaging say? Let's see. Step 1, point camera here. Activate at play.osheaga.com. Okay, so you gotta like activate your bracelet, I guess. This probably like verifies the fact that you got it. So yeah, that's unboxing the Osheaga bracelet. So let's get into the tips right now. So I only have 3 tips for you guys for Osheaga, but they are 3 major tips to make sure that you survive this festival and come out of it alive. Tip number 1, make sure that you drink water. Now I can't stress how important this is. The amount of people that we saw passing out, they were dehydrated. It gets really hot in the sun there and everything. Make sure you drink water. That is so important. Step number 2, you know, you're gonna be in crowded areas. There's gonna be a lot of body heat coming off of people. It's gonna be really hot. You're gonna have the sun beaming on you. If you check the weather, it's supposed to be sunny all 3 days in a row, like full sun, no clouds, so it's gonna be hot there. So make sure that you drink water. Seriously, I can't stress this enough. Make sure that you fucking drink that water. And finally, step number 3, drink more water, man. Honestly, the reason I bring this up is because last year we saw a ton of people pass out and have to like be dragged away and everything, and it was just like, dude, it literally looked like you would see like dead bodies being dragged away. It was so traumatizing in a way. Now you would think naturally, okay, if someone passes out at a festival like this, they're probably doing too much drugs, they're doing too much MDMA or something, right? I don't think that's the case. I literally think that people just don't drink enough water while they're at the festival. See, what you don't think about is, okay, while you're walking around the festival, it is hot and you could feel the heat, but you're like, I could tolerate this, right? But then there's a band you want to see, right? Like, let's say Tame Impala, which I'm pretty sure 99% of Osheaga wants to see this year. Although they are at night, so I don't know, just let's say you're gonna go see a band that's during the day while the sun is out. So you go kind of 30 minutes before, you know, you wanna get a good spot and you're kind of there, there's a lot of people around you, it's all good, right? Now let's say 15 minutes away from the band performing, you're starting to notice that like all the free spaces that you saw are now filled with people, and slowly by every minute there's more people from the back pushing in, and all of a sudden you're having less and less space. Now when you're there, you're not just getting the sun beaming on you, you're getting everyone else's like body heat that's kind of like radiating around. So you're getting like the sun heat and you're getting everyone else's like body heat, which is kind of disgusting. And I think that always adds to people being super dehydrated at festivals. So make sure that when you are going to see any performance, you have like a little canteen of water or something to just like have little sips here and there. Like literally what I did last year. If you guys went to last year's Osheaga, they gave out these little bottles right here. My friends were hating on this. They were saying that this thing is way too small. They're like, I'm not gonna use this. But here's the thing is, do you see this little clip that it's got right there? You know what this thing is for? So you could go like this. Boom. You see that? Hands-free, baby. I got water on me and I'm not even worrying about it. I ain't even carrying it. It's just on me like that. Like that, baby. Like that. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be giving these things out again this year at Osheaga, so make sure you grab one of these and just always have it filled with water. Have it on your pants, have it in your backpack, or like just always hold it so like when you're at a set, you start feeling it getting a little bit hot. Like honestly, just taking a sip every like 5 minutes should keep you hydrated and should keep you from passing out. The last thing you want to do when you're waiting like an hour for your favorite band to go up is pass out at the last minute right before they go on, or even during their performance. You don't want to pass out during their performance. So listen, be smart about your drugs, don't smoke too much weed, and make sure you drink water. I'm gonna be there with my friends who were in my video last year, so yo, if you see us around, come and say what up, you know, be like, yo, I saw the video from last year, I see that shit. Maybe I'll put you in the video this year, who knows? And I'm 100% sure that I will see all of you guys at Tame Impala, right? Like who's gonna miss that? I'll see you at the festival. Peace!